Okay, we might have a class come in, but it's okay. Real quick, number 3 and number 4, or I'll try to do 3 at least. You have the P equals negative 4R minus 9, and you have 5P minus 3R equals 1. Well, again, I already have this set, right? I already have P equals that. So I'm going to take that P and replace the P in the other equation. Take it and put it in there. All right, so I start a new one. 5 times whatever P is minus 3R equals 1. Now we know it's negative 4R minus 9. Again, now I have an equation that only has R, right? So solve that for R. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20 with an R. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. Still have the minus 3R, and it equals 1. This looks really bad. Okay, but still, we'll add 45 on this side because I want all the R's on the left. I want to move the whole numbers over, plus 45. That goes away. So on this side, I have 46. And then I have negative 20 and negative 3, so that's negative 23R. If I divide by negative 23, divide by negative 23, I get R equals negative 2. Once I have one of my variables, I'm going to take it and I'm going to plug it in up here to one of these. Now, which one do I want to plug it into? Again, if I have one that already has P by itself, I'm going to plug it in there. So we'll go over here and we'll say P equals negative 4 times R minus 9. However, now I know that R is negative 2, so plug that in, and this is just a number, right? P equals negative 4 and negative 2 is positive 8. We're subtracting 9, so P equals negative 1. There's my two answers, negative 1, negative 2. So that's my solution, right? I'm going to go ahead and look at 4 real quick. Yeah, well, I'll try to get it done before the next bell rings. But I got y equals 4x plus 17. That's already done, so put it in parentheses. So then I have 2x plus 3y equals 9, right? Here's the y. This is the one I'm going to plug in for. It's always an answer plugging in for the variable. So now I got 2x plus 3 times 4x plus 17, and that equals 9. Okay? Again, you're solving this. 3 times 4 is 12x. And you still got the 2x here. 3 times 17. Sorry, the numbers are getting so big. 30 and 21, 51. 9. All right. So again, move that 51 over. Subtract 51, subtract 51. Just trying to get this stuff away from my variable. I have 14x. And that equals, what's 51 minus 9? 42? Negative 42. Okay, if I divide by 14, x equals negative 3. Yes, sir. Okay. So anyway, once you get x equals negative 3, you should be able to plug it back in up here. And now I can figure out what y is. Now I can do that. Y equals 4 times negative 3 plus 17. So y equals negative 12 plus 17. And y equals 5. So this is negative 3, 5. Right? Done.